Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and this is our Forex sentiment meter. So in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see 21% are on the sell side and still 78% retail traders are on the long side. It means that 78% retail traders have taken buy position, and for the last 2 weeks I have been requesting all of you to exit from the buy position because many of you have suffered huge loss by taking a buy position on Gold USD, Euro USD and GBP USD. And see, this is the trend of the market, and the trend, you can easily see the trend of the market is towards its downside, and this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because retail traders fail to follow the trend of the market, and following the trend is the thumb rule of the market. Okay, whether you're trading in stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Following the trend is the most essential thing. And if you look at here, then you can see the average buying price of the retail traders was 1.3521. Right now market is trading at 1.337 and 1.3521. So most of the retail traders have taken a buy position at this particular level, and right now market is trading here. So things are not very good here. And this is the chart of DXY US dollar. As we all know, US dollar is extremely bullish for the last couple of days, and as there is a correlation, if dollar is up, we see selling pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD and gold. Okay, you can see dollar is still very bullish right now. If after the jobless claims, okay, today we have an event on USD. If after the jobless claims, if dollars starts going up again, then definitely we will see some more selling pressure on GBP USD and Euro USD. But if after the event dollar starts going down, or if dollars witnesses some correction, okay, some correction on US dollar, then we may see some recovery on the chart of GBP USD. Okay. And this is the Forex chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, there is hardly any movement on the chart here. So to be honest, right now you do not have, or I do not see any trading opportunity right now, because if there is no movement in the market, you must accept the fact that you cannot make money. If the market doesn't move, how can you make money, isn't it? So if market goes up, then there is a possibility of market, yes, there is a possibility of market facing resistance at 1.3400 to 1.3410. If market faces resistance at this particular level and starts going down, then you can take a small sell position. Yes, you can take a small sell position at this particular level, because previously this level was the support for the market, and therefore this level will be the new resistance for the market right now, because support becomes resistance and resistances become support in the market. So if the GBP USD starts going up, it will be facing resistance at this level, and if it reverses, you can take a sell position. Yes, confirmation is always essential. And if it breaks the level, if somehow it breaks the level, then the second resistance will be this trend line. This trend line will be the second resistance, and there is a possibility of market reversing from this level as well. If market reverses from the trend line, then also you can take a sell position. Okay, that is your second trading opportunity on the chart of GBP USD. And the third trading opportunity that I see on the chart of GBP USD is if market breaks the level of 1.3350. Yes, if you find, or if you see GBP USD breaking the support zone, temporary support zone of 1.3350 level, and if you see big red candles, then you can also take a sell position. Why the size of the candle matters? Because the size of the candle signifies the participation of the traders. It signifies the volume in the market. So volume is extremely essential for a proper breakout. Without volume, you cannot get a breakout. So if you get a big red candle, okay, considerably good red candle, you can take a sell position below this level. Okay, and keep your eyes on the chart of DXY US dollar, and mostly during the event, because if dollar gets bullish again, definitely market will break the support and start going down. You can take a sell position. Whatever you do, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So for my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your whole capital. Okay, so whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. And this is the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also share 1 or 2 signals each and every day. If you want to become a part of the Pro Trader program, you just go to my website and you'll find all the information here. Apart from providing signals and trading opportunities, I also do many things. I also teach there. Okay, so feel free to join. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. And if you have liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel.